Press a button and liquid comes out as fine mist. Instantly, no pump, no battery. So where does the force come from, and why doesn't the can burst? 5 things inside. The actuator button, a spring-loaded valve stem, a dip tube reaching the floor of the can, the liquid product, and above it, the propellant. The can holds 2 phases at once. Liquid product at the bottom, and above it propellant, a gas compressed until part of it turned liquid. Its vapor presses down on everything below, constantly. Press the button, and it drives the hollow valve stem straight down against its return spring. That carries a small port, drilled through the side of the stem, down past the rubber gasket sealing it. The instant it clears the seal, there is an open path from inside the can into the stem. Now the pressure has somewhere to go. Pushing down on the liquid surface, it forces product up the dip tube from the very bottom of the can. But pressure alone would only give you a jet. The mist happens right at the exit. The nozzle spins that liquid through a tiny swirl chamber and out an orifice narrower than a human hair. Released to open air, propellant dissolved in the liquid flashes to gas and blasts the stream into millions of micro droplets. And this is why the spray stays strong, then stops abruptly. As vapor is used, more liquid propellant boils off to replace it, holding pressure nearly constant until the liquid propellant is gone. Then there is nothing left to push. So the full chain. The button drops the stem, the port clears the seal, propellant pressure drives liquid up the dip tube, and the nozzle flashes it into mist. Subscribe for more everyday objects, taken apart and explained.